What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, Nubian Princess. As you can see, I took my hair out. So, after taking my braids out, I have bad news. I lost my edges. My edges are gone. So, you see that? Gone. You see this? Gone. I don't have any more edges. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone on silent, sorry. Look at my edges, you guys. Like, this is ridiculous. Oh my God. I'm not doing braids. I need to take a break. So I'm going to take a break from braids for a little bit. In the meantime, I was like, what do I do with my hair? Because my hair is short. I don't know what else to do with my hair. Because I used to have my sides shaved, so I'm trying to grow it back out. And I don't want to wear a wig. I do not want to wear a wig. It is hot. When I wear that wig, it irritates me. It makes my neck really tight, and I have neck issues. I had surgery on my neck not too long ago. So I don't want to wear a wig. I just bought a wig from hairvv.com that cost me $420, and I haven't worn it once. And I hate the wig. I hate it. Like, I think I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it because I can't wear it. Because it's the kind of wig that you have to spray and lay down. And I can't do that. I can't. I wanted one that had the band to where it held it down. And they used to make their wigs like that. And I don't know what happened. Now the band is like way back here. And then you have the front, the lace front flapping. Like, what? No. Anyways, I'm off subject. So I'm going to do a hairstyle. I want to do a high bun. My hair is really short, as you can see. So I'm going to gel all this up. And so the gel that I'm using is this Eco Style. I have two types of hair that I can use. I can use this, or I can use this. But I think I'm going to use this because I want to do my bun in such a way that I wrap this around, and so it looks natural, you know? So anyways, and then I have a brush, and then you want to have a small Y2 comb to lay it down. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've already put Jamaican castor oil on my edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get started. Show you guys this hairstyle that I want to do. I'm going to start with the back. In the hair, I want my ponytail to be this high. So once I do that, I'm going to use this comb to comb the hair up. Now my hair is pretty short in the back, so this is just to kind of get it where I want. So this is what I'm doing. The braids, it's just falling out. So, okay. So now you're gonna use a small Y2 comb and comb the hair. This helps the hair to lay flat. So this is what I got so far. So I'm just trying to find the placement of where I want the bun to go. So I think, let me comb this. I think I want it to be right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tie this down. But it's not permanent. I just want to tie it down so that I can get the rest of the hair properly gelled down. So This is what I got. So now I can really go in and mold the hair. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go to the back. Oh, you know what? You guys, I'm supposed to use a Denman brush. I forgot. Okay, so now I have a Denman brush right here. I forgot. This is a trick. Oop. Yeah. So the Denman brush is the one that gets it nice and flat. This will work really good, especially for those who have natural hair. You know, with natural hair is a little bit more coarse. Not in a bad way, it's just a little bit stronger. With straight hair, it's a little bit easier. When I say straight hair, I mean permed hair. I put a relaxer in my hair, so that's why it's laying down flat. So I like it this high. Okay, and then I want to put a ponytail right here. Okay, and fix everything else. And if it's not perfect, I'm okay with it. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Whew. Okay. All right, guys, let me get some more gel. And then I'm gonna put spritz on it. The spritz is what's really gonna hold it in place. You see, I'll show you the spritz that I use. So don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Oh my God, my edges are gone. My edges are gone. But it's okay. It is okay. Okay. So, once you do that, you now want to use a brush. This purple thing everywhere is annoying. You want to use the hard side of the brush to just kind of brush everything down. I'm trying to cover up the places that my hair literally fell out. So, bear with me. So, I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. I need to get the back to lay flat because it's short. A mess. Do I need to work on it some more? Okay. All right. This is my hair with no edges. Okay, guys. I think I put enough gel in here. I don't know how much more gel I need to put, but I think I'm done. So, this is what my hair is looking like. Okay, so once I do that, hold on guys, I gotta see what the back looks like because it's gonna bother me. I need a paper towel. I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. So, let me see if I can see the back. Oh, yeah, the back looks pretty good. Okay, Cece, you did a good job. Good job, Cece. Okay, so now, next thing that I'm going to do, I can either put this on there, or I should just mess around and go to work like this. Or I could put this on it. And so this, let's see how this is gonna work, because I want to do like a high bun. So this, I'm gonna go like that to make it tight. And then what I'm gonna do is tie it around the ponytail. And then I'm gonna use a bobby pin. There's my bobby pins, I took it out. I'm gonna use a bobby pin to hold it in place. Okay. So, once I do that, right, I'm now going to use this hair. I should bobby pin the hair. Let me bobby pin it. You guys, I'm going to get this right. I'm not playing with this. I'm not wearing no darn wig. I'm tired of wigs. So, let's see if I can get this right, guys. I don't want the bobby pin to be tight. I don't want it to be too tight. Okay, so I got that bobby pin down. So I'm gonna just kind of twist. I'm just gonna kind of twist this into like a high bun. And then I'm going to rock it like that. So bear with me. I'm gonna get it right. I want it to be like almost like a loose top knot bun. So this is what I got going on. That's it. That is it. Like, I don't want anything that's heavy on my head. I don't want any stress. I just want to rock my hair like this. So this is my new hairstyle. What do you guys think? I need to buy some more ponytails. What do you guys think? I can't wait for my hair to grow so I can just... And then what I'm going to do to hide the, you know, no edges, I have these fibers, right? I'm just gonna spray. See how I sprayed it and it covered that? I need to spray on this side and get it to cover just a little bit. Okay. You see that? You see that, guys? Alrighty. So once I do that, I'm now going to finish it off with spritz. Hold on. If I can find the spritz. Where is my spritz? Oh, right here. Pump it up spritz. This is gonna hold it in place. So this is the end of my hairstyle. So right now I'm gonna call my sister and show it to her because I can. So let's see what she says. I know she's tired of me calling. I've called her like 10 times back to back. I know she's tired. Nikki, please pick up the phone. Pick up the phone so I can show you what I did. Okay guys, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? This is the hair. This is the hairstyle. This is the hairstyle. This is the hairstyle. This is the hairstyle. Okay, she's calling me back. Let me see what she says. Oh, connect. It's in Wi-Fi. This darn Wi-Fi. I can't, hold on, I can't hear you. What'd you say? Hold on, Nikki. Okay, what'd you say?
It's good.
I'm tired. Like, I don't want to wear the darn wig on my head. So.
Yeah, it works. How'd you get your head to be slicked back?
Eco style.
The one with that thing doesn't work for me.
And then a brush. And then a small white tooth comb. And then a Denman brush.
Okay.
Alright, I just wanted to show it to you. So this is going to be my hairstyle for work tomorrow.
Yeah, they'll be looking at you.
They've never seen me like this.
Right. That's a good style. Give yourself a baby hair.
No. I don't want any stress, Nikki. I want forehead out. But what I'm going to do is give myself some lashes.
Don't give yourself the one to do like this.
I will. I'm going to fly away.
Okay.
I just wanted to show it to you.
It's fine. It looks good.
Thank you. Alright, that was it. I just wanted to show you. And I sprayed Pump It Up on there to try to hold it in place.
Got it.
So. Alright.
Oh, you said you perm your hair?
Yeah, I permed it. Yep. Alright, I just wanted to show it to you. You're the one that inspired me to do this, so. Bye. Okay, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. I made a mess right now. I'm going to turn around one more time so you can see the hairstyle. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Have a blessed one. Bye.